The company has one-year price target of $5.14. This company shares are 67.43% off its target price of $5.14, and the current market capitalization stands at $953.11 million. The stock increased 0.53% of 43 cents during the last trading session, reaching $81.41. About 8.66 million shares traded at 201.70% up from the average. It has outperformed by 7.11% the Scorpio tankers earned a news impact score of 0.11 on Axon scale. The stock witnessed minus 3.46% declines, minus 14.48% declines and minus 18.35% declines for the 1-month, 3-month and 6-month period, respectively. The stock of Scorpio Tankers Inc. JNPR traded at an unexpectedly low level on January 19, 2018, when the stock experienced a 0.69% gain to a closing price of $27.85. Meeting its average daily volume at 3.25 million shares each day of the month. This signifies a pretty significant change over the norm. General Electric Company (NYSE) has declined 4.46% since January 19, 2017 and is downtrending. It has underperformed by 40.50%. The Credit Suisse Group restated its buy rating and issued a $7 price target on shares of Scorpio Tankers in a research report on Tuesday, September 19. Therefore 78% positive. Scorpio Tankers had a negative return on equity of 3.53% and a negative net margin of 9.39%. Zacks Investment Research upgraded Scorpio Tankers from a sell rating to a hold rating in a research report on Thursday, November 9. NYSE STNG earned buy rating by Jefferies on Tuesday, May 30. The stock now has analyst mean recommendation of 1.8, where the scale is from 1 to 5. 1 means strong buy and 5 means sell. The firm has buy rating by Bank of America given on Tuesday, July 21. The rating was maintained by Morgan Stanley on Friday, November 17, with overweight. The company was maintained on Monday, July 3 by Jefferies. Stifel Nicolaus maintained the shares of STNG in report on Monday, August 28, with buy rating. The firm earned buy rating on Monday, December 18, by Jefferies. As per Tuesday, May 23, the company rating was upgraded by Barclays Capital. Scorpio Tankers has an average rating of buy and a consensus price target of $6.28. Scorpio Tankers Inc. NYSE STNG's revenue estimates for the current quarter are $153.34 million according to 12 number of analysts. For the current quarter, the company has high revenue estimates of $174.4 million in contradiction of low revenue estimates of $132.1 million. The stock of Movado Group Inc. NYSE STNG is minus 6.510462. This ratio is found by taking the current share price and dividing by earnings per share. When we look at the volatility of the company, week volatility is at 3.75%, whereas month volatility is at 3.04%. The stock of Bank of Montreal (NYSE) BMO has sector perform rating given on Wednesday, August 26 by Scotia Capital. As per Tuesday, November 15, the company rating was downgraded by Deutsche Bank. The company has market cap of $4.11 billion. California Public Employees Retirement System owned about 0.12% of Scorpio Tankers, worth $1,192,000 as of its most recent SEC filing. The rating was maintained by Jefferies on Monday, October 30, with buy. On Wednesday, October 28, the stock rating was maintained by RBC Capital Markets with sector perform. BidaskClub lowered shares of Scorpio Tankers from a sell rating to a strong sell rating in a research note on Friday, October 27. Moreover, Leisure Management has 0.26% invested in International Business Machines Corporation (NYSE) IBM for 2,038 shares. It improved as 70 investors sold IBM shares while 676 reduced holdings. 164 funds opened positions while 273 raised stakes. 519.10 million shares at 2.22% less from 530.91 million shares in 2017 Q2 were reported. Tower Research Cap Limited Liability Company (TRC) holds 413 shares. It also increased its holding in Alchemies plc SHS Nasdaq ALKS by 9,700 shares in the quarter, for a total of 127,800 shares, and has risen its stake in Lockheed Martin Corp. NYSE LMT. Personal Capital ADVSR stated it has 0.21% of its portfolio in NEOK Inc. Kelly Lawrence W. Bessemer GP accumulated 49,544 shares. NYSE OK for 79,030 shares. Cut down amount of noise on price chart. Shares of firm has 20 days moving average price of -4.78% from last close price of 3.02 and act as support to resistance of price limit. GLG Limited Liability Company has 0.03% invested in NEOK Inc.